I'm making a little update here. I used Gorilla Glue. It's urethane glue to embed those magnets into the rotor, and I must admit it doesn't look really nice, but they're in there, and it's light. It's very light. It's like I can't really tell the difference from whenever I put it in there. And by resetting the magnets in good alignment and having alignment set up for the pickup coil, it starts very easy and spins up pretty smooth. It's a lot quieter, a lot smoother. That's at 36 volts, and it will run at 24, which is really what I wanted. That's about the speed I really wanted to run at for the ceiling fan. 24 volts, which is what my house battery voltage is, and I think we're good at that.